the derivative, which is the ddx of the function. What we need to do is to indicate this is a fraction. You have your numerator and you have your denominator. So your u is what? This is your u as a function of x. Then we can get the derivative of u with respect to x, which we can use u prime. Okay, it's the same thing as the u over the what? The u over the x. And that will give you, if you differentiate x, that will be 1. If you differentiate sin x, that will be cosx. For the denominator, which is v as a function of x, that 1 plus cos x. The derivative, which is v prime, will be equal to derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of cosine, that will be minus sin x. Okay. Then the next thing to do is to write the general formula. So this will be equal to the formula we're going to use. That will be v times derivative of u, okay, then minus u times derivative of v over v square. Then we can begin to make substitution. My v is 1 plus cos x. Derivative of u respect to x. Derivative of u, that's 1 plus cos x. Okay, then minus u, which is x plus sin x times derivative of v, okay, which is minus sin x over the denominator over v square, which is 1 plus cos x. Then you square that. So that's what we have in this case. So we can expand the numerator. If you do the expansion, note a plus b square will be a square plus 2ab and then plus b squared. So that's what we are going to apply in this case. My a is 1, my b is cos x, and we can write these two expressions. We can write this one 1 plus cos x times 1 plus cos x as 1 plus cos x all squared. That will give us a, that's 1 plus 2 cos x, and then plus cos square x. The other one, minus times minus, that's a plus, and then times that will be x sin x, okay, x sin x, and then plus sin square x. We do the expansion over 1 plus cos x all squared. So that's what we have in that case. The next thing to do is to look for the function that is addable and do that. Let's do that. So this will be equal to, we must note that cos square x plus sin square x is 1. It's an identity. It's a trig identity. So if you do that, you're going to have now, we're going to have 1 plus 2 cos x, and then plus this one, cos square x plus sin square x, that's a plus 1. That's plus 1, and then plus x sin x over the denominator. That'll be 2. 1 plus 1, that's 2, plus 2 cos x, okay, and then plus x sin x over the denominator. So that's the answer for that one. Okay, that's the answer for that one. If you're yet to subscribe, please do so right now. Don't stop there. Click on like button and begin to share the videos across your social media platform. Thank you for doing that.